tough. And again, for us, it's been pretty pleasant here. We really haven't had any inclement weather.
Good.
Oh yeah, tonight's been great. A little bit of wind out there, clear skies, the clouds, rain, and eventually storm chances will return, Neil. So here we go. There's the sky view and long view. You can see clear skies, but again, after midnight, that's when I do expect some of these clouds to arrive. So this is what we're seeing right now. You can see the moon there in the background, or maybe that's what it was. But again, over the last several days, we have seen kind of a flip-flop in our temperatures. We were in the 70s Wednesday and Thursday of last week, and then Friday and Saturday still above normal with highs in the 80s. But yesterday, pretty comfortable. 71 was your high, and it was 80 degrees today. Now, those temps have come down just a hair. We are in the lower 60s. Tyler, for example, is at 62. It's 59 in Henderson, and it's 60 in Nacogdoches. Now, those winds have died down to less than 10 miles per hour. So I think for most of the night, they're between 5 and 10 miles per hour, but they will increase tomorrow, which does mean warmer temperatures with a little more humidity, which in fact has been really non-existent today. Look at that. Dew points in the 40s for the most part. And tonight, I've got us down to about 54 degrees, a few passing clouds. And throughout the day tomorrow, temperatures in the 50s through 8 o'clock, and then we will be in the 70s as we move into tomorrow afternoon. Some of us may slip into the lower 80s, kind of like what we saw today. So here's satellite and radar. Area of high pressure off to our south and to our southeast, but that is allowing for a disturbance to move in from the west, and this will continue to be the case here as we head into the next couple of days. But again, it's a weak disturbance, so rain chances, while they will be there for tomorrow and Wednesday, they're not that great, meaning it's not going to mount out to very much, and we're certainly not looking at a widespread washout. You would be lucky if you saw a few hundredths of an inch of rain, and really lucky if you saw up to a quarter of an inch, and that's about where I expect us to get through at least Wednesday. Now, Thursday and Friday, that's a different story. We have a stronger boundary, or actually two boundaries, that will be moving in our direction. One dry line out to the west, and then a cold front out to the west as well. The cold front's going to get closer to us, and then there you go. Storms do erupt on Thursday. You can see that right there from the Metroplex into Texarkana, Little Rock, Thursday at about 7 o'clock. And we could see some nocturnal thunderstorms Thursday night. This is about 1 o'clock in the morning. In the front, it's going to continue to very slowly edge its way to the south and to the east, and it's going to be moving very slow, so that will provide us with another storm chance as we head into Friday evening and Friday night, but most of this moves out as we head into early Saturday morning. So there is a severe weather associated with this. It's too early to tell what the primary threats would be, but at this time of year, it's typically wind and hail. I think that's going to be the case with this event as well. Central northern counties under that slight risk. That's on Thursday, and then Friday, the threat will shift off to the south and to the east, but parts of East Texas still under the gun for some severe thunderstorms on Friday, so stay tuned for additional updates on this, because both days do provide us with at least a slight chance of severe weather. And of course, we will be updating you through the process of getting that data over the next couple of days. But regardless, not a washout tomorrow, certainly not one Wednesday. Better storm chances both Thursday and Friday. Upper 60s Saturday. We're back into the 70s Sunday and Monday. And then as we look at Deep East Texas, similar deal. 80s Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Again, no washout tomorrow or Wednesday, but we may see a little rain. Better storm chances Thursday and Friday. Neil?
All right.